All right, man. I told you I'm about to flood the market with these videos of the Hellhawk, baby. So here we go, man. As y'all can see, if you ain't watched the last video that I posted the other day of me getting my Hellhawk, my Trackhawk, then you ain't know that it's a straight real live blizzard right now. But I'm gonna point the camera in and around and out and about and, you know, try to get y'all the whole angles and all that. But it's like a real live blizzard right now, you know, in Minnesota. It's like people cancel school and everything and all that. So you got to know that in this kind of case, you know what I'm saying? Minnesota don't cancel school for nothing, definitely about no snow, because that's normal to us. But when they cancel school, you know it's a big deal, man. So just like that, I'm about to take off for the dealership, and I'm gonna give y'all my first ride impressions. Not only just my first ride impressions, but just driving in the snow too. To let you know if it's fully all year round capable driving, you know. Y'all get what the hell I'm saying. Let y'all know all that. If it's really practical all year round, so I'm gonna let y'all know. All right, man. So here we go. Putting that thing in drive. Look at the snow. Is it not a lot of snow? Oh, hold on, let me try this. Let me put this thing in snow mode. Boom. Let's see if that makes a big difference. Oh, okay. Let's see if it's gonna plow through the snow like that. Oh, so far so good. So far so good. Let's see this. Look to the left, look to the right, hella snow. Time to go. Let's see. I mean, so far this one is kind of, I don't know, right there, that was a little wiggly, but you know, for the most part, it's cool. Like I'm going around this corner, now mind you, I'm doing 25 miles an hour around this corner, so y'all can see the speedometer if you're paying attention closely enough. Let's see, dang, you can't see nothing, can you? I'm gonna have to stick this thing up on the thing. I can't be holding this thing in one hand and driving. Let's see, I gotta find the speedometer on here though. While y'all find that, oh, there we go. Okay, now I'm back on the road. Got the RPMs right there too. Stay tuned for the car review, man, because the car review is coming really soon. First car review on my own car. Ain't that something other than my my Hellkeezy? You know, because for those who don't know, I got a Hellcat too. You know what I'm saying? So doing big legendary, big blessed shit, man. I'm big blessings from God, man. I appreciate you, God. I appreciate every last one of my subscribers that made this possible for me to be able to do this, because I promise you right now, if it wasn't for y'all, there's no way I'd be able to get this Trackhawk. That's 1000% true. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all and try to act like I don't need y'all, because I absolutely do. So make sure y'all watching them ads and supporting me, man, because in order to do this legendary shit, you know, it requires a lot of support, man. And y'all giving me that, so I appreciate that thus far, and I appreciate all the future support that y'all going to do, and all the people that's just now tuned in, never heard of me before in life, but supporting me right now just by hearing what I'm telling y'all, man. So I appreciate y'all very much. And let me prop this camera up and let's go on this drive. Y'all should be able to see pretty good. It's probably the worst snow I've seen in Minnesota in a long time. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. And it just so happened I got my Trackhawk today. How crazy does that work? So I'm gonna have to talk to y'all with the angle like this, and sometimes I might switch it around and talk to y'all face up. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? That's why I gotta get that second GoPro. I've been saying that for a long time now, you know what I mean? But either way it go, y'all getting this footage, so I'm gonna try my best to give it to y'all straight up and unfiltered and just raw, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta take a left and get here on this freeway. We're gonna see how they go. Hopefully the freeway, you know, is better than the side street. You know, side streets always take a while to come get plowed and all that good stuff, so let's see. This is crazy, y'all. Look at this, man. Look at this. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice on how bad these roads really are. Oh, okay, got a little sideways right there on that ass. Okay, y'all see that? Okay. I mean, it ain't handling bad though. You know, because if I try to take my Hellcat in this right now with, you know, the regular tires that come stock on it, this thing would be slipping and sliding everywhere like sneakers on an ice rink, you know what I mean? This one's actually handling pretty good. Granted, I'm going 25, 30 miles an hour, you know what I mean? But man, it'll take a while to get up to that in my Hellcat, you know, unless I had like winter tires, you know, so, which I do have. I just ain't got to put on my Hellcat yet, so everybody just stay tuned for that too. I don't even know if I might even get them put on now that I got the Hellhawk, the Trackhawk, you know what I'm saying, sitting here. So I don't know, we'll see. But y'all can't see, I can't see nothing, so I know y'all can't see nothing. This world is crazy. It's funny how I really just bought this car and then $100,000. The next thing I just drive it home. Most people, when they get this kind of car that costs this much, they usually ain't going home and this until this is a super nice day out. They probably just keep it at the dealership till it got real nice. Me, y'all know me, I'm to the mook every time, man. So, you know, I'm driving this joint home today. I left my Honda up there. I drove my Honda up to the dealership and left that joint up there and took this one today. So there y'all go, man. And it's crazy how I did the same thing with my Hellcat. When I bought my Hellcat, I left my Honda up there for like 2 weeks. Let's see if we can speed it up a little bit, get in this fast lane. Let's see what's up over here. Hopefully I don't spin out or nothing, but I mean, so far it seems so well composed. And this is effortless too, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Low key. I mean, other than the fact that the visibility is kind of low, it's still a good drive. Speed limit 60 though. Somebody just honked at me in some slow ass Saturn. And what they mad because I'm in the Hell Hawk, you know what I'm saying? Going fast in the snow. You mad at me, huh? Embarrassing. Y'all see the police over there? The little police and then like the little tow mans and all that. Man, let me point this camera around and talk to you. Whoa, that's a snowmobile in the middle of the road. That's how you know you in the country of Minnesota. Look at that. Boy, that's straight, what the hell? That's crazy. Dude really waiting at the light like a real live pedestrian on a snowmobile. If you ain't in the suburbs of Minnesota when you see something like that, I don't know where the hell you at. You must be in Alaska somewhere because I've never in my life, I grew up all in Minnesota. I live in the city though. I ain't never seen that before. A snowmobile just riding across the damn, like a pedestrian on his bicycle. That is funny as hell. Like I said, man, I know there's not too many people that would get a car like this. That's crazy. I really got a Trackhawk, yo. $100,000. That is some funny shit, boy. Oh man, hey man, like I said, stay tuned for the videos because I'm about to flood the market with Trackhawk videos, man. Y'all better stay tuned, man, because I got some real legendary shit. You know me, I ain't filtered or nothing. I'm gonna let y'all know exactly what it is, how I go down, everything I had to jump through to get it, what I pay a month. I'm gonna let y'all know everything, insurance costs, everything. Y'all know how I get down. You know what I mean? Is it finance or lease? Talk about more of that, you know what I mean, and why I did one or the other, vice versa, all that good shit, man. So stay tuned for the video. But like I said, I know a lot of people when they get these kind of cars, they would not, there's no way in hell people who usually get these kind of cars would just take that $100,000 Jeep and drive home in a blizzard where like low visibility, can't even see the car 20 feet ahead of you, snow, like real life blizzard warnings and all that. Ain't nobody doing like that, man. But I am, you know what I'm saying? So rock with me, man, because I'm doing it like this, man. I'm gonna give it to y'all the real, unfiltered and raw, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, let me focus on this driving because damn, this is kind of bad. Y'all can't tell, but I cut the phone off or the camera off the GoPro for about 45 minutes. Now, mind you, I live about 45 minutes to an hour away from Stillwater Ferry. So I'm in the city and Ferry's like out in the country, right? Type almost, it ain't the super country, but it's like mid-moot country, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't even halfway close to home yet, you know what I mean? So you gotta understand what kind of level of snow and type, just how bad this severity of this snow is. Plows ain't hit the street yet. As you can see, you can't even see nothing on the road. That's all slushed up, muddy, straight 10 layers of brown snow y'all see right there, man. And as you can see, everybody on the left over on this side going slow as hell. I've been going 30 miles per hour in a 65 mile per hour zone this whole time. And that's me pushing it a little bit, you know what I mean? Like a lot of people been going 10, 15 miles an hour, you know, but this Trackhawk, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man, 100% worthy. Cause this joint ain't sliding, ain't doing nothing. This joint big grippity grip on the snow. I'm rocking with it, man. Look at, I'm passing by everybody. I mean, slowly but surely, you know what I mean? It ain't nothing crazy. But this Trackhawk, man, I ain't gonna lie to you. I was at first, I'm like, I don't know, let me see how this dude got the 3 seasons. Ain't particularly snow tires on there, so I don't know how it's gonna hold up. But this joint is holding up. You know what I'm saying? Look how slow everybody going. I'm just cruising at 30. It ain't nothing hard, ain't nothing difficult. You know, I could probably go faster, like at least 15 miles per hour faster, but I don't even want to push the limit and even see where this thing gonna go. But I'm telling y'all right now, at 30 miles per hour, this thing is doing it, man. And it's doing it well. All right, y'all, another update, man. So it's been about 15, 20 minutes since the last time I turned on that film, since the last time I told y'all bye. And look what y'all see. Crazy, right? I don't know if y'all can see all that snow dropping in front of y'all, man, because I don't know if that camera picking it up, but you know, I'm big time cautious. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Ever since I've been in this snow, I've been looking at my side mirrors non-stop in my rear view. Cause I'm like, man, I want to make sure everybody just slowing the hell down so they know what the hell in front of them, $100,000 Jeep. Now I see why people don't do that, you know what I'm saying? But to me, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it's not the snow or the salt or any of the weather conditions that's bothering me, it's the drivers, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people can't drive and they from Minnesota, born and raised in Minnesota. Hold on, let me turn the camera around. All right, like I said, man, a lot of people are born and raised here in Minnesota, but every time, for some reason, every time the winter hit or some snow drop on the ground, people are all of a sudden don't know how to drive again. So like this person behind me who's going slow or going too damn fast and in this raggedy ass car. Now, don't get me wrong, I've been in raggedy ass cars my whole life, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't acting brand new just because I got some new nice shit, you know what I'm saying? But get up off my ass, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I mean? This motherfucker 100,000, bro. So I'm more worried about the people around me, you know what I'm saying, driving than I am about the weather conditions. You know what I'm saying? Like this person behind me, headlights ain't on, front bumper gone, radiator just sitting there. You know, I've had cars like that, so I know what it's like to be there. But at the same time, bro, if you see a nice car in front of you, sit your ass back and relax. We ain't going nowhere fast, no time soon. So just relax, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna be real pissed. I'm gonna get out the car and beat the life out of somebody if they hit this damn car. You don't get me wrong, I got insurance and all that, but I don't want nothing on this Carfax with this. I'm moving and grooving. So make sure y'all stay tuned along with all the videos I got coming with the Trackhawk and everything. I'm stuck in dead still traffic in the middle of a blizzard in a $100,000 Jeep that I just rolled off with today. You know what I'm saying? But appreciate y'all stopping through, watching the videos, supporting the movement, all that good stuff. You can also support the movement if you're not buying the merch. You know, buy the merch, watch the ads, you know, all that good stuff, man. You know what I mean? But I don't think there's nothing else I really want to say, man. Y'all, I think this thing drives really good in the snow, you know what I'm saying? But I'm going to run around the corners a little bit more on the way home and everything like that. And I'll holler back at y'all in 1 second. All right, y'all, listen, man. So we still on the road, man. I don't know if y'all can see how it went from light to dark and all that good stuff, man, but still dead, still traffic. You know what I mean? I've had some moments where it's going fast and slowing down, going fast and slowing down. You know, typical traffic, definitely when you got a blizzard like this in Minnesota. So as you can see, they're still in the Trackhawk, the hell Hawk, man. You know what I'm saying? We still out here, baby. But I just want to end the video right here, man, because ain't gonna be no more time. So, you know, ain't much really else to talk about. Perfect in the snow. I ain't gonna lie to you. I didn't know what it was gonna be like. I had kind of high expectations, but kind of low expectations at the same time. I was kind of like mid-mook with the expectation, you know, so it far exceeded my expectations for it, you know what I mean? Because it's still all-wheel drive, but I was like, still 707 horsepower, you know what I mean? So you never know how that's going to turn out, but it was it's actually been pretty good, man, and I ain't too far from the crib now. I'm probably about maybe 20 more minutes. In this, maybe about 45 more minutes, man, but it's been a long time, man. So I just wanted to end it before it got too dark and the lighting quality got too bad. So like I said, man, if you're looking for one, perfect all year round driver. Because if it drive good in this, oh, it'll drive good in anything, because this is real life Antarctica, Alaska type, you know, blizzard type stuff, you know what I'm saying? It ain't probably the worst you never could see in your life, but this is pretty bad. And for a person who's born and raised and live in Minnesota, this is one of the worst ones I've seen in a long time, man. So even in this, and it's been handling like a straight champ. If you just think you were wondering, if you were just watching the video and you're just wondering if it was good in the snow, definitely a 5-star. If the 5-star was the max, 5-star and a little bit above as far as what it can do in the snow and in this too. All right, so holla back at y'all, and I'll see you on the next video, man. I'm out of here. Go on.